Namaskar Bandhura. Hi friends. Today's episode is a very special one because today is your exam. We will see how well or how badly you have been following the lessons, and you will also get a flavor of real life conversations. So there are 5 questions in total in increasing order of difficulty. Between each question, feel free to pause the video and think of the answers. So let's start. Question number 1. Translate this to English. আমি খেন্তি, আমি ক্লাস 8 এর স্টুডেন্ট, আমি বাংলা ভালোবাসি আর চকলেট খুব ভালোবাসি। আমি খেন্তি, আমি ক্লাস 8 এর স্টুডেন্ট, আমি বাংলা ভালোবাসি আর চকলেট খুব ভালোবাসি। You can pause here and think of the answer before we move on. To take the pressure of exam off you, I thought I'll just have a virtual tour of Kolkata today in the same video. So this is the first famous sites of Kolkata. This is Robindra Setu, locally also known as Howrah Bridge or First Hooghly Bridge. This was opened in 1943, so it's quite old in that sense, and it is over River Ganga, and it connects. Okay, so River Ganga in Kolkata is also known as Hooghly, which is why this bridge is called the First Hooghly Bridge. And this bridge connects Kolkata to the adjacent district of Howrah, and Howrah station is the major railway station in Kolkata. So Kolkata has some other long distance railway stations as well, but Howrah is the major one. So this bridge like carries a huge lot of traffic and people across it every day. Okay, so question number 2. Translate this into English as well. এটা কলকাতা, আমার শহর, এটা আমার বাড়ি, ওখানে আমাদের স্কুল আর ওদিকে বাজার। আমি ভারতীয়, তুমি ফরাসি। এটা কলকাতা, আমার শহর, এটা আমার বাড়ি, ওখানে আমাদের স্কুল আর ওদিকে বাজার। আমি ভারতীয়, তুমি ফরাসি। Continuing with our tour, this is the second Hooghly Bridge or Bidyasagar Setu. In this picture you can see River Ganga or Hooghly as we call it locally, and people take boat rides in the evening, so that's a major touristy thing to do. And this bridge is relatively modern. It opened up in 1992. As you can see, probably guess from the design, it's a cable stayed bridge, and it's actually the longest cable stayed bridge in India. Back to exam. Question 3. Again, translate this from Bengali to English. ও টুনি, ও আমার বন্ধু, ওটা ওর ভাই, ওর নাম বুকাই, ওদের বাড়ি ওদিকে, আমি আর টুনি চকলেট ভালোবাসি, বুকাই আইসক্রিম ভালোবাসে, আমরা চকলেট আইসক্রিম খাই। Once more. ও টুনি, ও আমার বন্ধু, ওটা ওর ভাই, ওর নাম বুকাই, ওদের বাড়ি ওদিকে, আমি আর টুনি চকলেট ভালোবাসি, বুকাই আইসক্রিম ভালোবাসে, আমরা চকলেট আইসক্রিম খাই। This is probably the most famous monument in Kolkata. Many of you might know India was under British rule and Kolkata used to be the capital of East India Company. So they built the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, and as the name suggests, it was built in the memory of Queen Victoria. Yay, we are at question 4, second last question of the exam. Again, translate this from Bengali to English. আমার বাবা ডাক্তার, ওগুলো আপেল, কলা আর আনারস। বাবা ওগুলো খায়। বাবা লম্বা আর রোগা। এটা ক্রিম বিস্কুট, এটা আমি খাই। আমি একটু মোটা। Once more. আমার বাবা ডাক্তার, ওগুলো আপেল, কলা আর আনারস। বাবা ওগুলো খায়। বাবা লম্বা আর রোগা। এটা ক্রিম বিস্কুট, এটা আমি খাই। আমি একটু মোটা। This is Dakshineshwar temple. Now, Dakshineshwar temple is amongst the most famous temples in Kolkata. It's on the banks of river Ganga. So the water you can see in front of the picture, it is river Ganga or Hooghly as we call it here. And the big temple, the big building, it's for the presiding deity of the temple, which is goddess Kali. And the the architecture is known as Navaratna, which is a style of architecture specific to Bengali temples. So the Navaratna stands for the 9 spires of the temple. And the smaller temples, there are actually 12. You can see 6 very clearly, and there are another 6 behind the trees in the picture. So there are actually 12 temples, small ones, and each of them are dedicated to Lord Shiva. Like different Shivalingas are there in each of the 12 temples. So last question and we are done. This one you have to translate from English to Bengali. So here it goes. I am Bonnie. I am an engineer. This is my friend. His name is Potul. That is his girlfriend. Her name is Putul. Putul is an architect. Her house is on that side of the road. It is black and it is very beautiful. It might look a bit difficult, but believe me, you already know how to form all these sentences. So the last picture from our Kolkata tour. This is a common street view of Kolkata. If you already don't know, those are rickshaws, and in some parts of the streets, we still have those old kind of rickshaws plying. So these rickshaws are pulled by people, and nowadays the modern style of rickshaws has come in, which looks like a tricycle. So they are called cycle rickshaws, but these are old rickshaws which are pulled by people, and these can be seen only in some parts of the city. And yes, that the dress the lady is wearing, it's called a shadi. Hope you had a good exam. Please write down your answers in the comments and I will check them and correct them if needed. That's all for today. Thank you. সবাই ভালো থেকো, আবার দেখা হবে. Stay well, we will meet again.